In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this stainless steel double-walled thermos right here. And this is an actual thermos with a cup. Just going over the side here, it's 600 milliliter stainless steel vacuum insulated water bottle. So that's definitely going to keep your drinks hot and cold depending on whatever you want in there. If you want to put ice in there, you can put ice. If you want to put hot water, which what I'm going to use it for is mostly coffee and tea. So let's just open it up here. I've already had it out and used it and kind of like went over it. It came just packaged like this. I got mine in the blue color here, and you can see right here there's a little rubber gripper on the bottom, so it's not going to slide around on you. See right there on wood, it's not moving around. I like the fact that they integrated the cup into the bottle here. Check that out. So the cup just screws on just like that. And this is all stainless steel, by the way. Take the lid off. It's just your screw top lid. You can see down in there. I still have a little bit of water down in there. Let me add some water to this thing and show you how this works, because this is a very innovative lid. Okay, so I just added a little water. You can see it down in there. So once you add your water in there, screw your lid on. Now this could be cold or hot, and you can see right here, leak testing it. Nothing, not one single drop is dropping out. And then I want to drink my coffee or something. Is that not awesome? What a very satisfying click. Click the button down. Check that out. That is really cool. Unlock it back. Not one single drop. Unlock it. That works extremely well. They did a really good job on that. If you want to clean this, you can take this top off, and you see how it's a little spring-loaded top in there, so you can clean all that out. So all this will come off, and if you don't want to use this top at all, you could just use it just like that and then pour into there like that. So that'll work just fine just as a normal thermos. I will be using this on my camping trips or just kind of like normal drives where I want to put like something warm or something cold inside my van there. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the FJ bottle. See you in the next video.